Hey guys, just want to do a quick intro to this video because I didn't record the intro at the for this video. It's a slightly different video we're doing this week. I'm out for a walk, finally getting out the truck. We're parked in Effingham, Illinois at the big Petro at the minute. There's a trailhead that's not too far away from here. I did like an intro there showing the map and everything like that and where we was, but it recorded like 3 seconds of it and then just said it were recording and didn't record. So yeah, the clip's going to be like halfway through what I was saying for something else. Basically just it's really windy over here at the minute where we are, and it was windy on Friday as well in Ohio. Last week was just a steady week. I did 2 Martinsburgs, picked up in Baltimore on one of them and somewhere in Pennsylvania on the next one. Just fairly routine jobs, not really overly exciting, so I wanted to try and get down here and film this for a while, so I want to get and see where the trail headed. So yeah, let's get back to the video. It just sort of jumps a little bit into it, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. So yeah, we got 70-mile-an-hour winds in Ohio on Saturday and on Friday. I'm trying to run empty back to the yard. The wind was in my direction most of the way, apart from, well, I say most of the way, the first hour. Then I got to, can't remember whereabouts I got to in Ohio. I'll put the name of it on the screen. And you sort of come round the outside of the town, or the city, or whatever it is. And yeah, as soon as we changed direction, it got way too windy. At one point the trailer lifted up, so I decided to shut it down at a Love's. Picked up a load yesterday that from the yard that was loaded, that delivers to Nashville, Illinois in the morning. And then from there I don't know where I'm going. So yeah, I wanted to get to Effingham here, to this Petro, just for be able to walk here. Yeah, it's not often we can get out to get on a nice walk and just explore a little bit. I'll try and do some time lapses in here and some talking bits and see what we can see. It is nice around here. In many places you can get to from the truck like this. You know, it's windy. It's not the best weather for it, but it means that it's actually quite quiet, to be fair. I'm keeping my eye on the trees for if any of them are going to fall over, but I've got some good signs up here what we can see around here. But there'll be many out today because it's just the weather at the minute is not the best. We've even got fish as well. I don't think you can do any fishing here, but I'm not sure. Maybe there's maybe half a chance. And then that's where we are in relation to other places in this side of Illinois. And we see Nashville on there, whereabouts I'm going to be going Monday. Not overly. No, I think it's more the where the river goes, really. We're heading more like off of the map a little bit. Sort of following the red over to Fayette and that and down, so yeah, not quite on there. But it is nice. You know, it's not often I can get out of the truck, which is which is a shame, but you know, when you can get out, it is just nice. It said that the weather's warm. It says 18 Celsius, which is probably about 65 Fahrenheit, but it's just that wind. It's pretty annoying, but what can we do about it? I don't really know whereabouts I'm walking to. We're just seeing where we get to. We can I think it just leads to a dead end, to be fair, so the plan is just to walk out there really, just to like just some houses and then turn around and walk back. We've got no rush, no agenda really, just see what there is. So I think we're getting to the end of the trail out in this direction. It is nice, it's all paved out here, it's quiet. I think that's mostly because of the weather, but I don't think a lot of people over here actually walk anywhere, so it's just nice. I think this just leads to a few houses down here. Just over 3 miles it is to here from the truck, so it's going to be a nice distance of walk. Plenty of benches out here. It's a shame it's so windy. I could have brought some lunch, but oh well, it is what it is. I can keep moving at least and just get back to the truck and have something there. I think it'll be nearly 3 o'clock actually by the time I get back to the truck. It's a nice quiet spot here. It isn't windy, the wind's not getting here. Must be blocked by all these trees. I bet in the summer and in a couple of months' time when all the leaves are turning green again, it's pretty nice out here. Bet the trees look really, really full. But yeah, it's literally just over there. Here's the end of the trail. I'm probably just going to turn back now, to be fair, and yeah, battle the wind all the way back, because it's been behind me quite a lot of the way, and we're going to be straight into it. So I'm hoping next week's going to be another trucking video for you guys. See what I get Monday, because I've got empty racks on at the minute. They're going back to a company that we pick up from. But I haven't had a job through for a pickup from there. I'd have thought I'd have had a job through if I was picking up from there as well. So they might be sending me somewhere new. So I might possibly keep this momentum going and film in the morning and get a video in the bank for next week and just keep the channel rolling. You know, sometimes it's difficult to film when I'm just doing the same things over and over again that you've seen 100 times before, so you know, it's why I wanted to do this video, just something a little bit different and a little bit fresh, you know, and just, you know, show I do get out of the truck. I don't just spend all my life in the truck at work, you know. I like to get out and walk and enjoy a little bit of time outside. You know, I don't think I've said, but I am on the wait list at the minute. In fact, I think I'm actually at the front of the wait list for getting onto locals here at the company. I want to look at trying to get off the road, you know, living on the road, you know, still keep driving, but be home more and try and get a bit of a life going. You know, if you follow the channel for a while, you know I'm a drummer, used to be in a band over in England, so I want to try and get back into that this year, get back into my running and my exercise again, you know, and try and live a bit more of a normal life rather than spending 3/4 of the year living in a truck stop with a 89 Peterbilt sat next to it with the engine running on out with straight pipes on. Does get a bit frustrating, but oh well. This is a bit of a nice vantage point. We walked up it earlier on the time lapse. Yeah, and I bet when it's summer and all the trees are green, it looks nice. I bet in the autumn as well, it looks pretty nice up here. With all the leaves changing colours. But yeah, just going back to what I said earlier about going on to locals and things like that. I'm not going to stop doing videos, I'm going to still keep doing them. I'm not sure what they're going to be like, but I'll certainly keep going as long as people keep watching the videos. You know, the channel might change a slight little bit maybe. Might still keep doing the trucking videos, but maybe look at trying to do other things in the meantime. I'll keep moving, I've got to keep moving. There's a big storm coming in at 3 o'clock, just coming to 2 o'clock now, or 1:45, so I want to get back before it starts. Yeah, I was saying, I don't know whether, you know, I'll keep doing the trucking videos, but it might be again some of the same old, so maybe it might be a video of a couple of videos thrown into one for the week, you know, or a trucking video and then if I get out and do something at the weekend, that thrown in as well to pack the video out and keep the quality of the content going. But we'll see, you know, I have no idea when I'm going to get onto locals. I've been on the wait list since December, I think. Did get offered a job on locals, but it was doing nights, so I said I'd rather wait for a day position to become available, and I think they might be getting some work rejigged around in the next few months, so a local job might come up for me on days. They don't want to put me on, they can get me on locals nowadays, but they're not sure about how many hours I'd get. It could be up and down, so they don't want to be messing me about, you know, so that's fair enough. So but yeah, I'm going to get off and end this video here and get a ramble on home because that wind is getting stronger and I don't want to get wet through. So yeah, we're back to normal with a truck video next week. So yeah, I will get off and I will see you all in the next one.